Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking in this video. My name is Georgina. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my skincare routine. This is what I do once a week for a better skin, for clear skin. So if you're interested, so please keep on watching. So I used to have a lot of acne on my face. Last year, 2020, my face was terrible and I was going to depression. So I was going to dermatologists or left and right, and I couldn't find something that was really work with me. And I realized that I have to come up with something great, a routine for my face, and this is what I did. Because before, I never had a routine. I just used to, take a shower and wash my face with the same thing I wash my body. But after I have this acne and I have become more focusing more on skincare and focusing on what's good for my skin, what's not. So I'm gonna be sharing that with you guys. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, give me a big thumbs up, and for more video like this. First step in that skincare routine is that we need a cleanser. The cleanser I'm using in this video is Pond from Juicy Collection. This is our 2-in-1. It's clean your face and it's also hydrate your face. So I'm gonna be putting it all over my face, giving it soft massage. And then next we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be using my 5-in-1 beauty care massager. The 5-in-1 massager brings 5 different tools in it. I'm using the one in the shape like a little brush. Honestly, I have heard different opinion about this little massager, but for me, it works perfectly. It's very cheap. I'm gonna try to link all those products and tools that I'm using in this video in the description box below. After I'm done massaging my face, I proceed to rinse it. Now I am gonna be applying a tonic water from the brand Michel Marie. This one is good for all type of skin. This is literally the only tonic water I have used in my face that I feel like it's really clean my face. It's really helped me, so I really recommend it. Now I'm going to be applying my face mask from the brand Michel Marie. This one contains aloe vera, and everybody know how great aloe vera is for your skin. I also want to tell you guys I have
a homemade mask I prepare for my face that I'm not using in this video because I already using this one. So very soon I'm gonna be uploading this video for you guys. So now I'm gonna be taking a little break till the mask do this job, maybe a 20 or 30-minute break. By the meantime, I'm gonna be preparing a tea that's very simple. I do that tea with 3 little ingredients. I use ginger, I use cinnamon, and I'm gonna be using 1 lime. This tea, it's for lost weight purpose, but it's also to help you clean your skin. So go ahead and do it. It doesn't taste good, but it does good to your body, which is more important. So I went back. I'm gonna be rinsing my face, and after I finish rinsing my face, I'm gonna be using my face scrub. For scrubbing our face, I'm gonna be using Apricot Scrub from St. Eve. This say deeply exfoliate and remove impurity for glowing skin. So this one is kinda new to my skincare routine, but I am already liking it. Before this one, I used to do a homemade, and I still do it, but I wanted to try this and I'm really liking it. And for the last time, I'm gonna be using the tonic water again. Not with the same intensity I did it for the first time, but this is just only to clean up all the product in my face. Now I am applying some rose water in my face. After I finish applying the rose water in my face, I'm not gonna touch my face. I'm just gonna let my face get dry itself. So now that my face are completely dry, I'm gonna be using those 2 products from The Ordinary. They are very popular. Almost everybody know about this brand, and very affordable. The first one I'm gonna be using is the serum, the Alpha Arbutin 2%. And then I'm gonna be putting the niacinamide 10%, which is high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. After I finish applying the ordinary vitamin on my face, the last thing I'm gonna be doing is applying a hydrated cream, which is Nivea 5-in-1. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I can see you in the next video.